All right, follow the channel. The other day, we were playing on the Raptor, and I rolled it over on the street. We bent the handlebars. So that handlebar's bent just a little bit, but you can see it, and it is annoying. This handlebar here is bent down and out. So we ordered a set of the Pro Taper Raptor bars. So we're gonna see how they fit today. We also ordered a set of the ODI clamp-on grips. So instead of having to glue them on, they have an Allen set screw that goes in these clamps here, and it holds the grip on for you. These are ATV grips, and we're gonna see how it all fits. Raptor Pro Taper 7/8 bars. Looks like the part number is TRUPC. Not sure if that's right or not, but in any case, here's the bars. They're supposed to be a direct fit replacement and have the same feel, so we'll find out. My lovely wife came out here to see what I was doing today. These were some brand new Pro Taper pillow tops I had just put on before the first TX24 race there. I really liked them, but when I rolled the bike over, it busted the end off that one over there. So now we're gonna try the clamp-on style. This is the Tusk kill tether, and you just got to be real careful with these screws right here because they will strip out. I just did them hand tight. Anything more than that, really, if you get serious hand tight, it'll strip them out. It's kind of a cheesy design on the backer. The backer block, if it was made out of aluminum, which I'm sure it would be more expensive, this is only a $20 kill tether, would be way better. You just got to be super careful when you do this. But for 20 bucks, you get what you pay for on a kill tether. Not sure on the exact angle yet, so I'm not gonna get too crazy. I think that's pretty close. That looks pretty neutral. So make sure the key switch goes back on here. Clips right back in nice. All factory looking. A nice chin guard in case you take a spill. Well, they feel good. See how it goes.